Welcome to the best picks. The best replacement plug is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components for any electrical appliance, ensuring a safe and reliable connection to the power source. Whether you're dealing with a frayed cord on your favorite lamp, a damaged plug on a kitchen gadget, or need to outfit a DIY project, having the right replacement plug can mean the difference between a functional device and a potential hazard, making it a crucial item for every household toolkit. Number 5. ANEKEN GFCI Plug Replacement Auto Reset. Installing this GFCI plug is straightforward. Simply connect the 3 wires to the designated screws, and you're protected against electrical shocks. This device offers crucial safety by detecting electrical leakage. It automatically cuts off power within 0.03 seconds to prevent shocks and resets itself once the issue is resolved. Constructed with durable materials and a robust design, it's made for demanding use. This replacement plug ensures your devices remain protected for a long time, saving you money. The power indicator light clearly shows its status. Test its functionality by pressing the test button to turn off the light, and the reset button to turn it back on. It's designed for a wide range of home appliances and power tools. Use it with generators, cleaning machines, power tools, lawn equipment, and many other electrical devices. Featuring waterproof design and surge protection, it's ideal for various environments. This ensures reliable performance for your pressure washer, air conditioner, or hot tub. What we like. This GFCI plug offers automatic reset and surge protection, making it ideal for outdoor or wet environments. If you're looking to replace the plug on your pressure washer, hot tub, or air conditioner, this provides enhanced safety against electrical shocks and surges. What people say. This plug is easy to install to your cord and just as easy to use. There has been no overheating, shorts, or concerns. This plug GFCI seems to be of very good quality, easy of installation and fit perfectly replacement for hair dryer repair. I tested the functionality of it and reset its good and test button worked just fine. Product came nicely packaged, was easy to open and place wires in designated spots. It seals nicely for the waterproofing needed for use. Number 4. 2-pack 125V15A 3-prong male electric plugs. Introducing a pack of 2 durable 15-amp, 125-volt male electric plugs. These are designed for secure and reliable power connections. Featuring the Nema 5-15P straight blade design, these plugs are rated for 15 amps and 125 volts with 2 poles and 3 wires. Our plugs offer a versatile size, supporting a wide range of cord gauges from 14 to 20 AWG. This ensures a secure fit for various applications. Built with heavy-duty nylon and phosphor bronze pins, these plugs are UL/CUL listed. They are wear-resistant, drop-resistant, and flame-retardant for your safety. The transparent terminal compartment allows for easy visual inspection, while built-in wiring chambers prevent arcing and overheating. This ensures a safe and efficient connection. These replacement plugs are perfect for a variety of uses, including medical equipment, lamps, generators, and barbecue grills. They provide a dependable power solution wherever you need it. What we like. This pack of 2 plugs is UL listed and features a versatile cord grip that accommodates various wire gauges. If you need reliable replacement plugs for general electronics, lamps, or barbecue grills and appreciate a clear, safe wiring process, this is a great choice. What people say. It works very well. Easy to use. Seems quality and is easy to install thanks to insulated channels for the wire leads and clearly labeled connections. Number 3. Nema 5-15P ETL listed 15A straight DIY plug. Introducing a robust and reliable power plug designed for your electrical needs. It's ETL listed, ensuring safety and quality for household and industrial use. This plug is designed for easy installation, making it a convenient DIY or rewirable solution. Its straight design ensures a secure and straightforward connection. It's compatible with various cord gauges, supporting 15A at 125V for thicker cords and up to 10A for thinner ones. This ensures it meets diverse application requirements. Built with industrial-grade materials, this plug features a durable nylon housing and strong metal blades for excellent conductivity and heat resistance. It's made to last in demanding environments. Complying with UL and CSA standards, this ETL-certified plug provides peace of mind. The insulated design and internal dust shield enhance safety and prevent contamination. Experience excellent quality with its robust design and heavy-duty components. This plug is engineered for long-lasting performance and dependable power delivery. What we like. This industrial-grade plug is ETL listed and built for demanding applications with its robust design and internal dust shield. If you're working on commercial equipment, machinery, or need a durable plug for frequent use, its heavy-duty construction ensures longevity and reliable performance. What people say. Excellent quality and easy to use, robust design. Heavy-duty plastic casing and heavy-duty conducting materials. Use this for replacing the plug on my 18,000 BTU AC unit. Easy to grab and easy to install. Number 2. Leviton 515 PV Yellow Grounding Plug. Introducing the Leviton 515 PV Yellow Grounding Plug, designed for reliable electrical connections. This device offers a secure and efficient solution for your wiring needs. It features triple drive head screws, compatible with standard, Phillips, and Robertson head types. This versatility ensures easy installation with various tools. The Nema configuration and rating are molded directly onto the face for quick and simple identification. You can easily see its specifications at a glance. Deep slotted, backed-out terminal screws with back wire clamps provide maximum conductivity. This ensures a secure and stable connection for optimal performance. The husk and module are keyed for effortless alignment during wiring. This feature simplifies the connection process, saving you time and effort. Its built-in cord grip adjusts automatically to accommodate cords from number 18 to 3 through number 12 to 3. This ensures a secure fit for a wide range of cord sizes. What we like. This grounding plug features convenient triple drive screws and a keyed module for easy installation. If you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional who values quick and secure wiring, especially with different screw types, this plug simplifies the replacement process. What people say. The strain relief that the clamping portion provides is great because I was worried about tugs on the cord causing issues with connectivity inside and becoming a fire hazard. The hardware inside felt high quality and ensured a secure connection. The casing closed nicely and the job was done. Its robust yellow housing not only makes it easy to spot but also provides excellent visibility in both indoor and outdoor settings. The plug is designed with quality materials that ensure long-term use and optimal performance, especially for high-demand environments. The design ensures a secure fit and excellent conductivity, giving you peace of mind when using it with various devices or appliances. Number 1. Leviton 3W101 E-Grounding Plug. Introducing the Leviton 3W101 E-Grounding Plug. Its innovative hinge design ensures quick and simple assembly, saving you time and effort. This plug is the perfect solution for replacing worn-out plugs on your tools, appliances, and extension cords. It offers a reliable and convenient upgrade. Designed to accommodate a range of wire gauges, it accepts AWG SJ163. This ensures compatibility with many of your existing cords. Featuring a built-in cord grip, it automatically adjusts to secure cords from 18 to 12 AWG. This provides a safe and dependable connection. With a Nema 5 to 15 rating, this grounding plug meets industry standards for safety and performance. You can trust its quality for your electrical needs. What we like. With its hinge design for fast assembly, this plug is perfect for quick replacements. If you're dealing with tools, appliances, or extension cords that use 16/3 SJ cord and need a straightforward, efficient solution, this plug makes the job simple and fast. What people say. Used it to repair a portable dishwasher cord. I would definitely buy this again, super easy to use. Solid and easy to install. Good quality plug. The plugs are noticeably larger in size than the originals, but smaller and lighter than the cylindrical models. As such they will, perhaps just barely, fit side by side on most standard power strips. There is no separate, independent clamp on these connectors. The strain relief is provided when the main assembly screw is tightened. The end result appears to be sturdier than the molded plug it replaces and lighter than the industrial-grade cylindrical plug assemblies. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.